Hello, I'm Fatin Ishak. My ID is 21301716. Today I'm going to demonstrate the part of our project, which is Android-based Bluetooth control card on behalf of our group. So this is the project. Here you can see this is the Arduino, the development board. This is the power supply module, dual channel module, and this is the motor driver. And here is the Bluetooth. So this is the one power source, and this is the another. This is 9 volt. This is 3.7 into 2 volt. So here is the switch to turn on this motor driver. Here is the switch to turn on the power supply, and here is another switch to turn on the Arduino. So with the 9 volt battery, we have with barrel jack we have connected the power source module, and both channel are connected with 5 volt. These yellow pins are connected with 5 volt. So here you can see that there is 2 channel in this motor driver. One is for one motor, another is for another motor, and here is 3 pins to connect with power. This one is connected with the 5 volt channel, and this one is connected with the ground, and this one is connected to the 9 volt power channel. So you can see there is a common ground, here is another common ground, here is 5 volt channel, here is 9 volt channel. So there is also 4 pins here. One is for enable A, one is for enable B. Enable A is connected with the 6 pin, enable B is connected with the number 5 pin in the Arduino, and input 1 is connected with the pin number pin, and input 2 is 9, input 3 is 8, input 4 is with 7 number pin connected in the Arduino. So in Arduino, Vin is connected with the 5 volt, and ground is connected with the ground. And so when we will turn on this switch, and the Arduino and the power supply module, it will power up the entire project, the entire card. So first we will turn on the Arduino, then the power supply, and then the motor, and then the power supply. So you can see this is running and everything is working. This Bluetooth is blinking for the connection, and Arduino is powered up and everything is working fine. So here is our app. This is the app. Here we can connect the Bluetooth with pressing this button, and here is our forward, here is backward, here is left, and here is right, and this is the stop button. So when we press the forward, it will run the car, and until we press the stop, it will keep running. So for left and right and backward, both will work as same. If we press the left, it will go left, and until we press stop, it won't stop. And when we press left, and it will turn left, and when we press stop, it will immediately stop. And this is the exit button to close the app. So to control with the Bluetooth, the ground and VCC of the Bluetooth is connected with the ground and VCC channel, and the TXT pin is connected to the pin number 0 in the Arduino, which is RX, and RXT pin is connected with the pin number 1, which is TX. So we have connected the Arduino with the laptop so that we can upload the code and see the functionality of the robot. So this is our code. You can see we have defined the pin numbers of enable B and enable C. As we said, enable B is 5, enable A is 6, and input 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10, 9, 8, 7. Here we call the functions of the library, QTR sensor library, and this is our sensor count, and here is our code. So you can see if the function is forward, enable A and B is both high, and input 1 is high, input 2 is low, input 3 is high, input 4 is low, which runs the wheel forward. And here is the motor test function, where we can see if we press forward, it will pin the forward, and it will delay 1000 milliseconds, and if we press back, it is back, right, and if we press right, it will show right, and left, and stop, off. If we press off, it will show the stop button. So we have started the serial monitor so that we can see if the code is running properly. So here you can see if I press forward, it shows forward, there is stop. If I press right, it's right. If I press left, it's left. And if I press back, it will show back and stop. So as you can see here, if I press forward, the wheel is running, and if I press stop, it will stop. If I press right, it will right. If I press left, the wheel is running and stop. So here is our final demo. We will show the project is running properly. So as you can see, if I am pressing right, it will turn in right. If I am pressing left, it will turn in left. If I am pressing back, it will go back. If I am pressing forward, it is going forward.